RDX English Learning.
Number 1. Meeting new people.
Hello, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. You?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. How about you?
I like it too. It's pretty.
Yes, very pretty.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a teacher.
That's great.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Do you speak English?
A little. I'm learning.
That's good. How long?
6 months now.
Your English is good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That's the way to learn.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live close. And you?
I live near the park.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading.
Me too. I love books.
That's cool.
Do you know anyone here?
Not yet. You're the first.
It's nice meeting you today.
Nice meeting you too.
Have a good day, Anna.
You too, Sam. Bye.
Number 2. Daily routine.
Hi. When do you wake up?
Hello. I wake up at 6:30. You?
I get up at 7.
Oh, that's early.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth. You?
I take a shower first.
Nice.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat cereal. You?
I eat toast and eggs.
Sounds good.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. You?
I walk. My office is close.
That's healthy.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9. You?
I start at 8:30.
Oh, earlier than me.
When do you finish work?
At 5 p.m. You?
I finish at 4:30 p.m.
That's nice.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym. You?
I read books at home.
Reading is fun.
What time do you have dinner?
At 7. You?
I eat at 8.
Late dinner.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook every day. You?
I order food sometimes.
That's easy.
What time do you sleep?
I go to bed at 11. You?
I sleep at 10:30.
Early start is good.
Number 3. Can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm new here.
Oh, welcome.
I'm looking for the library.
The library is nearby.
How do I get there?
Are you walking?
Yes, I don't have a car.
Okay, go straight down this street.
How far should I walk?
About 2 blocks.
Then what should I do?
Turn right at the corner.
What will I see after I turn?
You'll see a big red building.
Is that the library?
No, but it's next to it.
On which side of the red building?
The library is on the left side.
Got it. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes from here.
Is the library open now?
Yes, it's open until 8 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do you know if they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the library has free Wi-Fi.
Great. Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, right across the street.
Wonderful. Is it safe to walk there?
Yes, it's a safe area.
Do I need a library card?
Yes, you can make one at the desk.
Thank you for the information.
Happy to help.
You've been very kind.
No problem at all.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy the library.
Number 4. Talking about family.
Hi. Do you have a big family?
Hello. Not really. You?
I have a small family.
That's nice.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one brother. You?
I have 2 sisters.
Wow, that's cool.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. You?
I'm married.
Oh, congratulations.
Do you have kids?
Not yet. Do you?
Yes, I have a son.
That's wonderful.
How old is your brother?
He's 25. How old are your sisters?
They're 30 and 32.
Nice.
Do your parents work?
My dad works, mom stays home. Yours?
Both my parents are retired.
That's good.
What did they do before?
Dad was a teacher, mom was a nurse.
Interesting jobs.
Yes, they liked them.
Do your parents live with you?
No, they live in another city.
Do you visit them often?
Twice a year. You?
I see them every weekend.
That's nice family time.
Do you cook with your family?
Sometimes. Mom usually cooks.
I miss my mom's cooking.
You should visit more often.
You're right. Family is important.
Yes, it really is.
Number 5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the bus station.
Okay, it's not far.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes, go straight down this street.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes on foot.
Should I turn anywhere?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light.
After the turn, what will I see?
You'll see a big blue building.
Is the station near that building?
Yes, it's right behind it.
Is there a sign for the station?
Yes, a big yellow sign.
Can I buy tickets there?
Yes, at the ticket counter.
What time do buses leave?
Every 30 minutes.
Is there a restroom inside?
Yes, near the waiting area.
Can I park my car there?
Yes, there's a parking lot.
Is it safe to walk at night?
Yes, it's well lit.
Are there restaurants nearby?
Yes, across the street.
Do taxis come to the station?
Yes, you'll find many taxis.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Thank you for the directions.
No problem at all.
You're very kind.
Happy to help.
I'll go now. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
Number 6. Work and school.
Hi. Do you work or study?
Hello. I work. What about you?
I study at college.
That's great. Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
What do you do at the bank?
I help customers.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, Monday to Friday.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Do you like English?
Yes, very much.
How many hours do you study a day?
About 3 hours.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, but it's not too hard.
Do you have a teacher you like?
Yes, my English teacher.
Does your teacher give tests?
Yes, once a month.
Do you work on weekends?
No, weekends are free.
What do you do on weekends?
I study and rest.
Do you have classmates?
Yes, many classmates.
Do you like studying with them?
Yes, we help each other.
Does your school have a library?
Yes, it's very big.
Do you read books there?
Yes, almost every day.
Do you want to work after study?
Yes, I want a good job.
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you.
Number 7. Hobbies and interests.
Hi. Do you have any hobbies?
Hello. Yes, I do. You?
Yes, I like reading books.
That's great.
What kind of books do you read?
I read adventure books.
Do you read every day?
Yes, at night before bed.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
Do you play football?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you like singing?
A little.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, it's relaxing.
What do you draw?
I draw flowers and trees.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, sometimes on weekends.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like cooking pasta.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, very much.
What kind of movies do you watch?
Comedy and action.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where did you go last?
I went to Pokhara.
Do you want to learn a new hobby?
Yes, I want to learn painting.
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
Number 8. Making plans with friends.
Hi, are you free this weekend?
Hello. Yes, I am. You?
I'm free too. Do you want to do something?
Sure. That sounds nice.
What should we do?
How about watching a movie?
Sounds good. At the cinema or home?
Let's go to the cinema.
Which day is good for you?
Saturday evening
What time does the movie start?
at 7:30. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Where should we meet?
At the cinema at 7.
Should we invite someone else?
Good idea. How about Tom?
Yes, he would enjoy it.
I'll call him.
Do you want to eat before the movie?
Yes, there's a pizza place nearby.
Great. I love pizza.
Me too.
So, Saturday at 7 at the cinema, then pizza?
Yes, that's the plan.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Will anyone else join?
Just Tom for now.
Should we buy tickets online?
Yes, that's easier.
How long is the movie?
About 2 hours.
Can we meet after for a walk?
Sure, that's fine.
Do we need snacks in the cinema?
Yes, we can buy popcorn there.
I can't wait for Saturday.
Me neither.
See you then.
See you. Bye.
Number 9. Food and drinks.
Hi, what's your favorite food?
Hello, I love pasta. You?
I really like pizza.
Pizza is great.
What toppings do you like?
I like pepperoni. You?
I like vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. You?
I cook every day.
That's great.
What's your best dish?
I make good spaghetti.
I can make pancakes.
Nice.
Do you like sweet or savory food?
I like both. You?
I like sweet food more.
Okay, I like savory more.
What's your favorite drink?
I love coffee. You?
I like tea.
Nice choice.
Do you drink soda?
Sometimes. You?
I drink soda rarely.
That's good.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian place in town.
I like a burger place near my house.
Sounds yummy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. You?
Not really. It's too hot for me.
I understand.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. You?
I like bananas. They're healthy.
True.
Number 10. Travel and place.
Hi, have you traveled before?
Hello. Yes, I love to travel. You?
Me too. Where have you been?
I've been to France.
That's nice. I went to Japan last year.
Wow. Did you like it?
Yes, it was amazing. How was France?
It was beautiful.
What did you see there?
I saw the Eiffel Tower. You?
I visited Mount Fuji.
That sounds great.
Did you visit any museums?
Yes, the Louvre.
That's interesting.
Yes, very much.
What's your favorite place so far?
I really liked Italy. You?
Japan was amazing for me.
Nice.
When did you visit Italy?
2 years ago. You?
Last year, I visited Japan.
Cool.
Where else have you traveled?
I've been to Canada.
Oh, beautiful. What did you do there?
I went hiking in the mountains.
That sounds fun. Do you like cities or nature?
I like both. You?
I enjoy cities more.
Exploring is fun.
Where do you want to go next?
I'd like to go to Australia.
I want to visit Brazil.
The beaches look amazing there.
Yes, very beautiful.
Let's keep traveling.
Definitely. Traveling is fun.
Yes, I agree.
Number 11. Gadgets and device.
Hi, do you like technology?
Hello.
Yes, I love gadgets. You?
Me too. What's your favorite device?
I really like my smartphone. You?
I love my laptop.
Nice.
What brand is your phone?
I have an iPhone. You?
Mine is Samsung.
Cool.
Do you have a tablet?
Yes, I have an iPad. You?
No, I don't have one.
It's useful for reading.
Do you have a smartwatch?
Not yet. You?
Yes, it's great for fitness.
That's nice.
Do you have wireless earbuds?
Yes, they're very handy.
I want to get some. Are they expensive?
Not too much.
Do you play games?
Sometimes. I have a PlayStation.
Cool. I like PC games.
Nice.
What's your favorite game?
I love strategy games. You?
I like sports games.
Fun.
Does technology make life easier?
Definitely.
Do you read news on gadgets?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch movies on gadgets?
Sometimes, yes.
Technology is awesome, right?
Yes, I agree.
It was nice talking about tech.
Yes, it was. Take care.
Number 12. Food and drinks.
Hi, what's your favorite food?
Hello, I love pasta. You?
I really like pizza.
Pizza is great.
What toppings do you like?
I like pepperoni. You?
I like vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. You?
I cook every day.
That's great.
What's your best dish?
I make good spaghetti. You?
I can make pancakes.
Nice.
Do you like sweet or savory food?
I like both. You?
I like sweet more.
Okay, I like savory more.
What's your favorite drink?
I love coffee. You?
I like tea.
Nice choice.
Do you drink soda?
Sometimes. You?
I drink soda rarely.
That's good.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian place in town. You?
There's a burger place near me.
Sounds yummy.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy. You?
Not really. It's too hot for me.
I understand.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. You?
I like bananas. They're healthy.
True.